Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris down here at the Statesville Mellow Vapes coming at you with another product video. Today's going to be a how-to basic video, so we're going to go over the basics of a mod, how to get it turned on, how to change things, how to go through the different settings and everything, how to get the tank ready to go, and basically get it to the point where you're ready to hit it. And so today we're going to go over the Tesla SIG's Falcons kit. This is a nice little mod comes with a disposable tank, just direct power voltage. So just real simple, real easy, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So here you have the whole mod with the tank on top. This does use a disposable Tesla 1 tank. Nice little plastic tank that after the coil burns out, you just go and throw it away and grab another tank. This comes with 3 of those tanks. So nice little, looks pretty nice on there. Got color matching to the mod. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the mod. Fairly simple. Nice just little device right here. So here's your power button right up here. This is going to be your LED bar that shows your battery life. And of course you have your micro USB right down there, which you're going to need to charge it. Since this is internal battery. 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it on, that's going to flash. And as you press the button, it's going to light up, also displaying your battery power life. The blue is going to be anywhere above 50%. It's going to turn red below 50%. And then that's basically the mod. Another 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it right on off. You hold the power down to fire it. Pretty simple. About the simplest of a mod you can get. And then the tank itself is pretty simple, but really effective. So here you have the little tank right here. Up on top is going to be your little grommet that you're going to pull up to fill the tank up. And now there is no real way to prime the coil. You can't take it apart and prime it because it is all one piece meant to be thrown away. But if you're skillful enough, you can drop a few drops down the center of the tank itself and get that cotton wet. And so whenever you do fill this up, if you aren't able to get any on the cotton down through the middle, you are going to have to let this sit for about 10-15 minutes to make sure that cotton gets all nice and saturated. And then on the bottom you have airflow control. Just spin it back and forth to change your airflow right there. Kind of hard to see on the plastic tank as it all kind of goes together and it's all transparent, but nice amount of airflow adjustment. Make it pretty nice and tight. These run anywhere from 60 to 70 watts recommended, and that's it basically. So if you're looking for something that's simple, small, but it's going to give you really good flavor and just all around be a decent little compact device, this is definitely it. If this is something you're interested in, come on down and check it out. I'll see you guys around.